One of your greatest disadvantage as a naturalista, somebody on relaxed hair, and also somebody that's trying to grow out her hair is breakage. Breakage is more or less like your number one hair growth enemy. So the moment you tackle hair breakage, or you reduce it or you minimize it, the better it is for you. So stay tuned to the end to know what you are doing wrong, what you need to do right, what you should probably incorporate into your routine to see less breakage and see more visible length retention. Hi, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach, and I hope you stay to the end of this video to learn one or two. First off, you need to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself from within. It is not just about what you apply on your hair. You need to be healthy from within, right? Number one, you need to stay hydrated. I know so many people don't like drinking water. They are very, how would I say it? They just don't like it, let's just say. And I feel you need to incorporate drinking water. If you know that, you don't really like taking bland water or water that is just, tasteless, obviously, you could either squeeze 1 or 2 drops of lemon into the water, or you can infuse cucumber into your water just to give it a different taste or feel. But most importantly, you need to stay hydrated. You need to stay hydrated because once your hair is hydrated, once your skin, once everything about you is hydrated, it reflects. So you need to take a lot of water. Moving on, protein is like the primary structure of our hair. Our hair is made up of keratin, which is the protein, right? So you need protein to feed protein, right? So you need to take lots of protein. That's where your fish comes in, that's where your egg comes in, and so many other proteinous food. Take it in quantity that would be beneficial for you, not just your overall well-being, but also prioritizing your hair growth and to prevent hair breakage in future, right? Moving on, you can take omega-3 fatty acid. It is very beneficial for you, your overall well-being, right? And you also need to take care of your hair from the external form, the external side, right? Not just internal, let's go external. First off, do you have a spray bottle with water? If your answer is no, hurry up, go to a shop, get a spray bottle, fill it with water. You will need it while detangling your hair, while installing some kind of hairstyles. You will need a spray bottle for application. Moving on, leave-in conditioner. This is like a must-have in everybody's hair stash. You need leave-in conditioner. It will help soften your hair, to help provide moisture for your hair. So for those of you that need loads and loads of moisture, you need to prioritize leave-in conditioner, right? Moving on, deep condition on every wash day. So if you're someone that wash your hair like every 2 weeks, deep condition every 2 weeks. If you wash every 3 weeks, deep condition every 3 weeks. If you wash every month, deep condition every month. As long as you wash your hair, as long as it is your wash day, deep condition your hair. It is a game changer. I was not a fan of deep conditioning before now. Like, I did not really think much about it. But the moment I started deep conditioning my hair, it was like, taking my hair from 0 to 100, from 50 to 200. You know what I'm trying to say? So you need to prioritize deep conditioning in your routine. Moving on, try as much as possible to seal in the moisture. So moisture is basically to help prevent breakage, right? And you don't want to lose that moisture you've applied. So you need to seal in the external form of moisture, which is the water that you have sprayed on your hair. That's where your oil comes in. Your rosemary oil, your almond oil, your olive oil, whichever oil you want to use, go ahead and use it to seal in the moisture you've applied externally, right? Moving on, prioritize your scalp health. Your scalp needs to be healthy for your hair to, grow out in a healthy form, because all growth starts from your scalp. So you need to wash your scalp regularly, you need to massage your scalp, and you need to ensure that it is always clean, and ensure that you tuck your ends in. So take for instance, you have cornrows like this. These are our ends, and this is where it breaks off easily. So you can easily, mat it just the way I did, right? Then tuck it in, something like this. Tuck it in so that the tip will not be rubbing off on your shoulder or your clothes, and it will cause friction, which could lead to hair breakage. You need to protect your hair, and sleep with a satin bonnet. Satin bonnet is practically available in your stores. Get a satin bonnet that you can use to sleep. right? Or you get a silk pillowcase. The reason is, your hair glides easily on silk surfaces. So once you have like a silk pillowcase, it is easy for your hair to glide, which would actually prevent hair breakage. So if you can put all of this into cognizance, your moisturization from outside and your hydration from inside, taking enough protein to keep your hair strong and healthy, it will go a long way in reducing hair breakage. So I hope you guys try this out. I hope you incorporate it into your routine so that you don't experience hair breakage and say, oh, my hair is not growing. Because obviously if your hair keeps breaking, you will not see visible hair length, you will not see your hair growing long. So you need to prevent it with all these measures and more that I'll actually be saying in future videos. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, share to your friends. If you've learned one or two, share to someone that also need this video. And yeah, don't forget I have my ebook where you can learn more. So click the link in the description box to get your ebook, and I'll see you in my next. I remain your favorite hair coach, and bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele, then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.